Hello everyone. Welcome to the Lazy Toddler Parenting channel. I am Dr. Namita and today we are talking about one of the most important and rewarding aspects of motherhood, breastfeeding. As a mom, breastfeeding not only nourishes your baby but also strengthens the bond between you and two. However, I know it can feel overwhelming at first. So in this video, I'll share some practical and easy tips to help make breastfeeding a more comfortable and fulfilling experience. Breast milk is often referred to as liquid gold because it's packed with essential nutrients, antibodies, and everything your baby needs to grow strongly and healthy. Breastfeeding also benefits moms. It helps your body recover postpartum, reduces stress, and even lowers the risk of certain health conditions later in life. It's a beautiful journey of nourishment and love. Comfort is the key to make breastfeeding a pleasant experience. So find a calm, quiet spot where you can sit or recline comfortably. Support your back and arms with cushions or a nursing pillow. Here are a few positions you can try: the cradle hold, the football hold, and the side lying position. Experiment with these until you find the position that works best for you and your baby. A proper latch is crucial for effective feeding and to prevent discomfort. To help your baby latch, align their nose with your nipple. Wait until they open their mouth wide like a big yawn. Gently bring your baby to your breast, not the other way around. If you feel pain or discomfort, the latch might need adjusting. Don't hesitate to consult a lactation expert for personalized guidance. A good latch ensures both you and your baby are comfortable. Breastfeeding is demanding on your body, so staying hydrated and nourished is essential. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and focus on eating a balanced diet with whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Keep healthy snacks like nuts, yogurt, or energy bars handy. They'll keep your energy levels up, especially during late night feeding. Understanding your baby's hunger cues can make feeding easier. Watch for signs like turning their head towards your chest, sucking on their fingers or fists, smacking their lips. Feeding on demand instead of waiting for your baby to cry will make the experience calmer and more enjoyable for both of you. Moms, remember that taking care of yourself is just as important. Breastfeeding can be demanding, so make time for self care, whether it's a short nap, some deep breathing, or simply enjoying a cup of tea. When you feel rested and cared for, it makes the entire breastfeeding journey more manageable. Breastfeeding is a journey that takes time, patience, and love. It's okay if things don't feel perfect right away. You and your baby will learn and grow together. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with other moms, and don't forget to subscribe to the Lazy Toddler Parenting channel. If you have any questions or stories to share, let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy parenting.